This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can change the shooting angle, or should I rather say the field of view, on this device. So the first method you can use is to take your action pod, here tap on this icon, and switch between different field of views like action view, mega view, ultra view, dewarp, or narrow. The second way you can do that is by launching the Insta360 app, then open the camera view here, and then go for the field of view selection on the top. And as you can see, you have the same very options here: mega view, action view, ultraviolet, dewarp, and narrow. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.